Alright, here we are, day 2 of the rock stacking of the waterfall. Take a look down here in the hole first. You can see how I got a garbage can down there. A little bit of water, half full maybe. There's my pipe and the cord to the pump. It tucks under there. I'm gonna fix that corner. It kind of slipped a little bit. This is about 4 hours of rock stacking. I'm gonna fix the pipe too. Cut it, get that all fixed up. We washed some water down it last night. That's about 3,000 pounds of rock that we stacked last night. It's coming along, looks good. We got rock from about 5 different states, the guy said.